Thank you everyone.
And we have the two openers there in the middle. How sharp it is, 6:58 yesterday, 6:58 today. And the Safaru, what a strike, the captain strikes in style. It's a big... Good comeback there from Umesh Dam. So Kyukwan up in the air, fielder there, and he drops the opportunity. Shaukat Chakochi. Oh, it's a big opportunity, very big opportunity. Safaru strikes, that's up in the air, that will land safely, and it will be another single. And Vishnu played that fine. Just cutting and finding a single. Single to end over. Vishnu tries to do, couldn't connect well. To play to the ball. It's Saddam, the new bowler, into it. Safaru tries. Was coming in deep into the crease for a big shot. Saddam to continue. What a delivery. Safaru strikes. That's up in the air. That is into the hands and wicket gone. Number one down here for KGF. The big captain needs to walk back. It's a good start here from Saddam. He bowled really well. Sharp. See that how convincing he is. Coming in and going for a biggie on the very first ball. Oh, that's up in the air. That was not well connected. And that will be easily taken. Shaukat Chakochi finding a breakthrough. On the very first fair delivery he bowls. Welcome to Hiba. വ്യത്യാസത്തിൽ അവരുടെ മാൻ ഓഫ് ദി മാച്ച് അവാർഡുകൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ കൈകളിലേക്ക് അതേ കൈകളിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് മറ്റൊരു വിക്കറ്റ് കരസ്ഥമാക്കുന്നു ഷൗക്കത്ത്. And it's another one. Number 3 down here. Sunoj Kalu, another local boy into the middle. Tries to cut, couldn't connect in between, and I feel the hat. കരസ്ഥമാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് ഷഫീഖ് നെല്ലിയാമ്പതി tournament. And once again another dot ball there. What an over this has been. Overthrow and a single is conceded. Will they go for a second? Oh, that's so close, so close. How vigilant Papu. It's 21 and Sunoj Kalu strikes. Is that gone the way? Yes, it is. That has gone the way it wanted. Oh, helicopter. Typical Papu starts off in style to the final over. Left armour and Papu is up in the air. Heads on top of the blade, that is in the air, and that's a good catch. Papu needs to walk back. 3 balls, 12 runs. He got a good start, but he was not able to contain that. It's all over here. It's number 4 down for KGF. Swing and a miss, and that's a top ball. James misses. Oh, there it is. Trouble. Trouble all the way. And it's a wicket. He was trying to bring Sunoj Kalu to the crease. And he has done that in style. So Namke Elton Malappuram. What a performance there with the ball. Swing and a miss. And that's another top ball. Again. That will be another dot ball. What an over here from Manoj. Just 6 of that over. It's all over here for KGF in 4 overs, 33 for the loss of 5. And the target for K. Elton Malappuram is 34 to win this game. Can they make it out? Big question. Way outside. Way outside. And there it is. Ram is walking back. Gentleman's game. And here comes the captain Abdullah as a one-down batter. Top ball to start here. It's a swing, it's a miss. Again, big appeal there from the wicket keeper. Then to continue, that is up in the air, not well connected. Can anyone take that one? Yes, there is a man under the ball. It's Safaru, the captain. It's wicket number 2. Nothing on board, under pressure. Elton Malappuram, what a start to this game. I said it before, this is a tricky score on board and this is going to be an exciting contest between these two teams. Elton Malappuram takes. That is up in the air again, field under the ball. Can he catch that one? It was bounced from his fingers, then it came back to his hand safely taken. Number 3 gone. And it's Manoj, and he ran to the middle. Left hand fast bowler, right hander. And there comes the over completed. Maiden 3-wicket over here from Alan Supnet. A dream start for this bowler to this tournament. Shafiq into attack. Good start there from Umesh Dam. On the front foot, drives the top, single taken, and he's off the mark. First runs on. Swings, misses, tough to bat on. That's a very good delivery. That is an. And there it is, Manoj clears the ropes. First 6 here for Elton Malappuram. Manoj goes again, shuttling length. And was not having much grip and pick. Puller 1 was trying to place under the back. Single taken, single will end the over. It's a single to start. Over number 3. Umesh Dam is up in the air. You need to take that one. Yes, Safaru once again. Quickly enough into the line of the ball and he made that. That's a good catch taken in the end. It's number 4 down here for KL10. This is going to be a big blow. That will release the misses. And Umesh Dam will release the pressure for sure.
Back it up.
It's a miss. It's a dot ball. This is over number 3 in progress. That's up in the air. That connected. And that goes deep enough. What a strike there from Manoj. He moves to 20. The team moves to 22. Oh, that's a good way to start from the left armer. Very good way to start. Oh, slower one. Oh, that's a tricky one there. Tricky one there from the wicket keeper. See Papu. See that experience. Wide signals there from the umpire. Manoj is gone. The one in touch who scored 20 runs of just 9 balls needs to walk back. That's a good shot. Confident shot. Single to start from Anis. That's up in the air. Surely in the air. Can anyone catch that? Yes, it is another wicket there for Safaru. മികച്ച മത്സരത്തിന്റെ വ്യത്യാസത്തിലേക്ക് നയിച്ചൊരു വിക്കറ്റാണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപോയത്. മനോജിന്റെ വിക്കറ്റ്. സ്ട്രൈക്ക് എടുക്കാനുള്ള അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മോഹങ്ങൾക്ക് പപ്പു തിരശ്ശി. Oh, pulls that one, and and 6 all the way. It's all going good. Chapra goes to pull. Will they go for the second run? And that's a good throw. Very good throw there. Papu again. Doing the damage. Another man gone. It's number 7 down. What they need to win. He tries. Not a good idea there. Not a very good idea there. Up goes the finger. This is history. And Kelton Malappuram is on a losing course here. It's KTF. What a performance there from the bowlers.